In this video, I'll show you how to monetize your Instagram account. Step 1. Grow your audience. Focus on building an engaged audience. Use consistent posting, relevant hashtags, and high quality content. Interact with your followers and respond to comments and DMs. Step 2. Switch to a business profile. Go to Instagram settings, select account and switch to business profile. This gives you access to Instagram insights and ads. Step 3. Partner with brands. Reach out to brands or sign up for influencer marketing platforms. Promote their products or services in exchange for compensation. Step 4. Use Instagram ads. Create paid ads to promote your products or services. Target your ads based on demographics and interests. Step 5. Offer sponsored posts. Once you have a significant following, you can offer sponsored posts. Brands will pay you to create content featuring their products. Step 6. Promote your own products. Sell your own merchandise or products directly on Instagram. Use Instagram shopping features to tag products in your posts and stories. Step 7 is affiliate marketing. Promote affiliate products and earn a commission on sales. Join affiliate programs or networks like Amazon Associates or share a sale. Step 8. Offer paid content. Offer exclusive content behind the paywall through platforms like Patreon. Provide followers with special content in exchange for a subscription fee. Step 9. Track performance and optimize. Use Instagram Insights to monitor engagement and growth. Adjust your content and monetization strategies based on performance. And that is it. That is how you monetize your Instagram account. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. And if you have any questions regarding this video or any other topics, be sure to leave a comment and I'll be happy to help you. Thanks. Bye.